Good day, everyone. We will be solving some of problems moment of the course.
Basic lang siya.
So for each case illustrated in figure 4, determine the moment of the force about point O. So first, ang formula sa moment is M is equals to summation of force times distance. So figure 4 A, so ngayon lang siya pag-solve. MO, since nag-solve ng force about so MO is equals to summation of D or nakalimot. Ayun, since ang force na to is 100 Newton, siguro nakapiyon, times the distance, which is equals to 100. Ayun din mo, kalimot sa to, which is the Newton meter. Since wala may gihatag na direction, so mag-assume lang ka na akong direction is clockwise.
So in figure 4, letter B, we have here the force of 50 and the height of 0.75. And we also have the width of 2 meters. So now we simply copy the formula. We have here the MO summation of force times distance. So we have here the MO summation of force distance equals, so 50, we multiply the force times the 0.75, so 50 Newton times the 0.75.
So one of coincidentally
So because the force of 50 overlaps to the 0.75. So we doesn't need, hindi natin ito masasama sa kanila dalawa. So we only solve the 50 force and the height of 0.75. So the answer right now is we have to calculate, which is the 50 times 50 the lines of 0.25. So we have now the 37.75. So remember to put these units and Newton meter. So kanina sinabi ng partner ko, like we need to assume kay wala dito nakalagay na kung saan siya mag-act. So we need to assume it's clockwise.
Kasi wala naman.
So this is the answer. So sa figure C, my partner will discuss.
So same regarding ng process, which is ang formula na MO. So we start natin. MO is equal to summation of F times D, which is pounds, 40 pounds. 40 times home distance. Kaya since nag-act siya kanang distance.
So partner, masabi mo pag-solve kating na degree.
So by using Sokatoa, mo siya 2 cos may piece. By using Sokatoa. So kung wala mo kabalo sa Sokatoa, research lang ninyo sa Sokatoa. So just copy this distance 4 plus 4 meters. Ang pangalan sa units. Cos 2 cos 20 meter. So, great. So, calculate na to for the simplification. 40 times 4 plus 2 cos 30. So, ang answer is 229. Will be okay. So, same area on the direction which is the clockwise. That will be all final answer.